suggest, many students pay little to nothing under scholarship/waiver system. Palermo is quite a city with lower cost of living. It offers nursing in English too, a bilingual in public universities. And it's not as hard as you think if only you prepare early. Let's talk about what really matters, the cost. Once you settle in, your classes and hospital training begin. And you realize you are finally living your dream in Europe. Italian degree is EU recognized, so you can also work across Germany, France, Spain and the Netherlands without requalification, where dreams meet real opportunities. Every year, thousands of Indian students dream of becoming nurses, to heal, to serve, to build a life of dignity. But when they check the private college fees in India, 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakh per year, dreams start to fade. Now imagine this, studying nursing in Italy in world-ranked public universities taught fully in English with tuition as low as 0 rupees if you earn a scholarship. Yes, 0. And today we will show you exactly how. Welcome to your step-by-step BSc Nursing in Italy roadmap powered by KalingaEuro, where dreams meet real opportunities. Only a few public universities in Italy offer nursing in English, and they are among the best in Europe. Sapienza University of Rome. Here, nursing in English is a 3-year program with heavy clinical training in Santa Andrea Hospital. The internship portion is real, and you will gradually learn Italian to handle patient care. Seats for international non-EU students are very limited. Only a small quota is reserved. Be prepared to compete hard. University of Campania Luigi Vanvitelli. They offer nursing in English. The fee range for non-EU students is between €0 to 2,710 euros depending on income. That suggests many students pay little to nothing under scholarship/waiver system. Even though seat numbers are not published reliably, this program is known to be competitive. University of Palermo, Sicily. Palermo is quite a city with lower cost of living. It offers nursing in English too, a bilingual in public universities. While seat numbers are not clearly published, you should expect a limited quota for non-EU students like in Sapienza and Vanvitelli. Each of these institutions issue an official call for admission, bando, every year. That call will list exactly how many seats are reserved for international students, eligibility rules and deadlines. In the next part, we will teach you how to read that bando like a pro so you apply exactly right. Once you have picked your university, the next step is applying, and timing matters. For international students, the process starts almost 1 year before classes. So if you are planning for the September 2026 intake, you must start checking university website from November 2025 or simply connect with the KalingaEuro team, and we will keep you updated with every official announcement. Step 1. Visit the official website of all the 3 universities, Sapienza University of Rome, University of Campania Luigi Vanvitelli and University of Palermo. Look for the call for application bando section. If the 2026 call isn't published yet, open the previous year's notice and study it carefully. Write down the timelines and eligibility details. That gives you a clear idea of how the admission procedure works. Step 2. Getting a seat means clearing the entrance exam, and it's not as hard as you think if only you prepare early. For example, Sapienza University of Rome conducts a nursing test with 60 questions in 100 minutes, 12 general knowledge, 10 logical, 18 biology, 12 chemistry and 8 physics and maths questions. Each right answer gives 1.5 points. Each wrong answer deducts 0.4 points. Your total score decides your position in the ranking list, and that's what decides who actually gets the seat. Then 50,000 rupees for a year at one of the European's top universities. Now remember, this information is based on the 2025 academic year and it may slightly change for 2026 or 2027. But one thing stays constant. Italy remains one of the most affordable destinations in all of Europe for nursing and medical studies. And here's the best part, the DSU Scholarship. If you qualify, your tuition becomes zero and you can receive up to 8,000 euros a year in total support. That includes about 3,500 euros cash and 3,000 euros for housing and the rest for the canteen meals. So you can leave, eat and study comfortably without worrying about finances. Every Italian region like Lazio, Campania or Sicily manages its own DSU program. That's why staying updated is crucial, and our KalingaEuro team monitors each region's official calls every year, so you never miss a scholarship deadline. Visa, insurance and first week in Italy. Once you get your admission letter, it's time for the visa stage. You apply for the Type D student visa through VFS with offer letter, university pre-enrollment, financial proof, travel cum health insurance and accommodation details. After landing in Italy, within 8 days, you must apply for residence permit, permesso di soggiorno, and get your codis fiscal Italian tax code. Once you settle in, your classes and hospital training begin. And you realize you are finally living your dream in Europe. Career after graduation. After graduation, you can register with the Italian Nursing Council (FNOPI) and start working in Italy once you reach B2 level Italian. Italy faces a nursing shortage, so job opportunities are strong. Starting salary is equivalent to 28,000 euros per year and grows with experience. Your Italian degree is EU recognized, so you can also work across Germany, France, Spain, and the Netherlands without requalification. Or you can pursue a master's in nursing or public health in Europe with the same visa path. A single decision to study nursing in Italy can open doors across the entire European Union. Every year, students from India take this exact journey with KalingaEuro, and today it can be you. We don't just inform, we guide, apply and stand beside you till you reach Italy. So if nursing in Italy is your dream, don't wait. Comment Nursing Italy or message us NurseStar to get your free starter kit. It includes the latest Bando links, the DSU Scholarship calendar, and your step-by-step roadmap to admission. Your dream deserves the right direction, and that's what KalingaEuro is built for.